Hello guys! Today we are going to start learning about operators. Before starting the topic operators, in the last class what we have studied? We have studied about selection concept. In the selection concept what we have studied? We have studied about where clause. Okay. So this was the topic we have studied in the last class. So let's summarize the topic before starting the new topic. So what was the role of where clause? Where clause is used to filter the records. Okay, so it is used to filter the records. For example, if I give you a question, write a query to display the details of employees earning more than 2000, means I want the details of employees who are earning more than 2000. Okay, that's the filter condition. So what we write? We pass filter condition in where clause. Okay, we pass the filter condition. Now, so the where clause is written after which clause? It is written after the from clause. Okay, so written after from clause. Now the condition which we are passing, this is checking row by row. Every record it will check. So I can say it executes row by row. Okay. Executes row by row. This is the one more point. And the last point, I have given you a question in the last video. Write a code to display details of employee earning more than 2000 but in department number 10. 10 or 20, what might be. I have added the condition. I have given now two conditions. In this, we need to use logical operators. We need to use logical operators in order to pass multiple condition. Okay, I need to pass multiple condition. For this I need to use the concept of logical operators. So this fifth point, the board is visible. Okay, so this fifth point is the main reason for need to study about operators. Okay, because not only one condition, we need to apply multiple conditions. So this operators word we have studied somewhere before also. We have studied expression concepts. Okay, we will revise. Okay, so before starting the concept of logical operators, we need to see some types of operators. Okay, so there are some types of operators are there. First type of operator is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic means basic mathematics. Second, relational. Third, logical. Fourth, comparison. Fifth, concatenation. If you are Python or Java student, you will understand the meaning of concatenation. I will tell you, no worries. Okay, concatenation. Then sixth, special operator. 7, subquery operator. So these are the 7 types of operators which we have to study. Okay, in depth or get an overview. So arithmetic operator means what? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. These are the basic operations of arithmetic. We have seen in the expression also. If I say to find the annual salary, so sal into 12. If I say to add a bonus of 500 rupees, so sal plus 500. If I say to find the quarter salary, so sal into 12 by 4. Quarter means 1/4. Or if I say to deduct a penalty of 500 rupees, so sal minus 500. There is arithmetic operator, arithmetic. Relational means what? Relational means greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Okay, this is the relational operator. Means salary greater than 2000, salary greater than equal to 2000, salary less than 2000, salary less than equal to 2000. For this type of questions, we can use relational. See, arithmetic relational we have seen in before selection topic and expression topic we have seen. So comparison means what? Comparison means equal to, not equal to. Not equal to can be also write like this also. This is also not equal to in SQL, Oracle SQL. Okay. Now, so means we know the idea about arithmetic operator, relational operator, comparison operator. But sir, what is the definition of operator? Someone might have a question. What is the definition of operators? These types of operators. We are directly starting the types because we have seen in the expression. But what is the meaning of operator? Operator, it is a symbol or keyword used to get some result. Okay. It's a symbol or keyword which is used to get some result. Okay. So keyword can be operators. Okay. But operators can't be keyword. All operators can't be keyword. Okay. There are some special symbols. Okay. Some keywords are and or not. This is also a keyword. They are also called as operator. But sir, then what is keyword? So keyword example, let's say if I give you DESE, describe table, DESE, select asterisk from tab. These are the keyword. They are not the operators. Okay. Just keep this in mind. Okay. Now I am going to teach you about logical operator, concatenation operator, special operator, subquery operator. Okay. Today I will complete logical operator explanation and concatenation operator explanation, and we will practice the queries. Okay. In the next class we will start studying about special operator. Special operator I think it will consume 2 days, and subquery operator not much we will see. Basic 1 or 2 we will see. Later we will see more in depth. Okay. Okay. So we will start the topic logical operators. First, logical operators. Is the board visible? Very good. Wait a minute. Board is visible. So logical operators, first of all, what is the meaning of the word logic? Sir, what is the question? The logic means define in English. Please define me in English. Comment. You will not able to do it. Okay. So simply, if I want to define logic in simple words, means decision making. Okay, we are making some decision based on the condition or based on the situation. Okay, so suppose I give you an example. Let's say it's a rainy season. Okay, you are in class 9 standard, summer vacation is there, and your school is going to start on, let's say, 14th June. Okay, so it's already starting of beginning of June 2nd, and now it's a rainy season. Okay, you are free in home, nothing, no work is there. Your friend has called you to meet and let's say have fun. Let's say we will watch movies together, have a popcorn. Okay, so there are two options are there. First of all, it's a rainy season, rain is there. So now you have an umbrella. Okay, You have an umbrella to go outside, and you are also having mood to spend time with your best friend. Okay. So now mood is also there, umbrella also says, so you decided you will go. Okay, two things are okay, you will definitely go. Now one more situation is there. Rainy season is there, but you are not feeling to go with your friend home at the moment because you are not feeling well now. Okay, you are in bed rest, assume it. So in this situation, what you will decide? You will decide I will not go. You will say sorry, I can't come today. Okay. One more situation if you take, rain is not there. You are having mood to go, but your friend home is very far. So you decide that you can't go because you don't have money to travel also, and you don't know driving. You are underage. Okay, because I said you are in class 9. So what I am doing, I am making the decision to go or not go. So in the SQL, in the compiler, so the decision making based on the boolean true or false. If the condition is satisfied, I will do the task. I will select the records. If the condition is not satisfied, I will reject the records. For example, the condition was when the where clause in the last class where salary greater than 2000. This is the condition. The condition is true. I am selecting the record. Similarly, what in the example, if all the situations which is desirable, so I will go. If the conditions are not desirable according to me, I will not go. Okay. So how to make decision based on the condition, based on the requirement? For that we need to learn a concept called logical operators. Okay. So there are multiple type of logical operators. Either if you are a EXT student, you might have an idea, or electronic student if you have studied in class 12. Okay, universal gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR, XNOR. No need to learn about that. We need to learn basics 3 type of logical operators. So 3 types of logical operators are AND, OR, NOT. These 3 are the types of logical operators. Now, first we will learn about AND operator. Sir, what is AND? I want this and this. I want mango, I want orange. Okay, sir, don't take food examples, I am feeling hungry. Okay. So, what is AND operator? I am not getting answer. Let's say I give an example. Okay. Many students have tried also. If you are a college student, you might relate. Suppose you want to take admission in top IITs or NITs. Okay. First of yes or not, I don't know. My grammar is not that good, but okay, take an example. Let's leave it. NIT. Top IIT or top NIT, you want to take the admission. So there are 2 criteria are there. Okay. Criteria number 1, in 12th greater than equal to 75% marks. Okay, marks should be greater than or equal to 75% in 12th. Okay, and second criteria, suppose you are a general category student. Okay, so your is 98 percentile in JEE mains. Okay, tough criteria. Okay, 98% is already qualified for JEE advanced, or you can say NIT eligible. 98 percentile. Okay, these 2 are the criteria. So suppose I assume it to be the condition. This criteria when I said to be A, this criteria is said to be the B, condition B. Okay, I am making a truth table. A, B, result. Result means you will get admission or not. Okay. So suppose you have studied well in class 12th. Okay, class 12th you have studied well. You have scored 75% or more. So first condition is true. Okay, and you have practiced full year on JEE means. Okay, you are good in very good in mathematics also. So you have top. So you have qualified the cutoff also. So means you are eligible to get admission in IITs or NITs. So condition is satisfied. You will definitely get the admission. Now suppose you have been lazy, you have not studied well in class 12th. Okay. So your score was very third class in the prelims. Now in the final few months, let's say last 4 months, you got scary. I want to get passed in the exam. Now in this situation, what you have to do, you have done the crash course. You have practiced previous year's questions. You have seen the last moment videos preparation, and by God grace, you scored 78%. Okay, above 75%. So our first condition got satisfied. But in the entrance exam, rote memory will not work, ratta will not work. Here you have to use logic, practice is necessary, which we have not done. So you scored 50 percentile, let's say. Okay. So you not met the second condition. 19 percentile is the minimum value. So means you will not get the admission. So condition failed means false. You will not get the admission in top IITs or NITs. Okay. So please don't go personal, sir. For explaining, I am taking the example. Okay. Now suppose you have full year studied in quota or any online coaching class. You don't even focused on board exams. You don't know how to write the paper much. You don't know how to write the. You just write. You know how to write the answers. Okay. Because of that, you scored 74.6%. So first condition is for failed because you don't know how to write the paper. Well, but you have practiced so much that you scored 99.96 percentile topper, all India topper. So you met the second criteria. But what is a clear restriction of NTA? That you need to score above 75% or equal to and score 98% in JEE mains. You met the second criteria, but you didn't met the first criteria. So still you will not get the admission. You have to either write the supplementary exam or leave that exam only. Okay. So again these conditions are failed. Now you are not studied well in class 12th also. Okay. So condition failed. And now study for entrance also you focus full on gaming. Then definitely no chance of getting admission. First condition failed, second condition failed, overall also no admission, condition failed. So now in this you have seen in the first case when both the conditions are validated, means both the conditions are satisfied, then only we are getting the output. For the rest cases, even a single condition is satisfied, we are not getting output. Okay, both conditions are not satisfied. When the both conditions are not satisfied, then also we will not get the output. Okay. So what is the role of AND operator? AND operator role is gives result when all conditions are satisfied. Okay, when all the conditions are satisfied, then only the AND operator will work. Okay, now syntax is very important. Syntax of AND operator is, in where clause we will write where condition 1 and condition 2 blah 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 blah, we will write like this. Okay, depends on the question. Okay, for example, where salary greater than 2000 and department number equal to 10. Okay, we can write like this. I hope you have got an idea. Don't worry, we will see the queries also. Okay. Okay, we will see the query now only. Is the board visible? Okay, the visibility is there. To some extent only visibility is there. Okay, suppose if I give you a question. Okay, a small table can be take. This short table we will take. Let's suppose it's a criteria table is here. Okay, why to waste time? Okay, suppose the criteria table is there. I am made the truth table as a criteria table. A column names are A, B and result. Leave that. Column name are A, B result will not work for you. Suppose table is there. Okay. EID, key name, salary, department number. Suppose it to be the employee table. Where I will keep the employee as 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Allen, Ward, Smith, Jones, Miller. Salary, let's assume 1000, 2000, 1500, 2500, and 2700. Let's say 10, 20, 30, 10, 20. Okay. Let's say I keep it as 3000. So if I give you a question, write a query to display details of write a query to display details of employee earning more than 2000 in department number 10. Okay, so this is a question which we are going to write. I want to display the details of employee earning more than 2000 in department number 10. So by looking at the table, can you answer me what is the answer? First of all, I will see what are the salaries greater than 2000. 3000 is there, 2500 is 2700 is there. You will see department 20 is there, department number 10 1 is there. So fourth record is okay, fifth record is again 20, but I said I want the 10. Okay. So by looking at the table we get the idea, but how it's working internally. So first of all we will write the query. So query will be like, first of all which clause I will write? Select clause, because I want to display. I want to display details of every, means all columns I want. So I will write select asterisk from, what is the table name? EMP. EMP where, in the where clause what do I write? Condition. Where salary greater than 2000 and one more condition, department number equal to 10. This is how I will write the query. Sir, why this? Okay, let's understand. So here the first condition is like A, like in the truth table, salary greater than 2000, and second condition is B. Okay, B what? Department number equal to 10. So how it will work? Again it will work like a truth table. A, B, output. Okay. So first of all it will check department number and the salary column. Row by row it will check. Sorry, column by column it will check. After that we check row by row. Row by row it will check whether the condition is satisfying or not. Okay. So in the first record it will check. In the first record it will check whether the salary is greater than 2000. No. First condition is only false. Okay. And department number is 10. Second condition is true. What is the nature of AND operator? That if one condition is also not satisfied, I will not get the result. So output is false. So it will reject the first record. In the second record, it will check. In the second record of ward, it will check salary greater than 2000. Yes, the first condition is satisfied. And second condition, department number equal to department number 20. So second condition is false. So output is also false. Similarly, in the third record, the first condition is only not satisfied. Second condition also not satisfied. So definitely I will not get the output. The fourth record, the first condition is satisfied. Yes, very true. Second condition is also satisfied. True. So I will get the output true. In the fifth record, first condition is satisfied. True. Second condition not satisfied. So it will not get the output. So fourth record is the only record which is satisfying all the conditions. Okay, which I mentioned which is mentioned in the question or I mentioned in the query. Okay. So I will get the fourth record as a final output because I mentioned. So where clause will extract the fourth record and select clause means to display the entire detail. So our final output will look like this. Okay. EID, E-name, salary, department number. Okay, so our final output will look like this. 104 Jones, salary is 2500, department number 10. This is the final output. Okay, this is how our final output will look like this. I hope you have got it. Okay, how we are getting from clause, first order of execution. From clause we'll go to the database, search for the table, put the table under execution. Okay, I don't want to repeat everything again and again. You are smart. After the execution of from clause, where clause will use. Where clause is used to filter the records based on the condition given. So how it is filtering I have told. So two conditions are there. How AND operator will behave. So in truth table behavior we have seen. So it will check whether all the conditions are satisfied or not. Okay, the record which is satisfying all the conditions, that record will get extracted. So that record 104 got extracted. Now select clause will display that result. Okay, so that will be the final output. So looking the select clause will display entire details. All columns will display 104 Jones 2500 department 10. Okay. This is how AND operator works. Now discuss about OR operator. I don't think I can able to start the concatenation operator way, but at least I will complete the logical operators. OR operator. OR means once, or I am okay with this, or I am okay with that. Suppose take an example. Okay. You love to eat ice creams. Okay, in that ice cream you love only two flavors. One is mango, one is vanilla. Okay, you like only two flavor ice cream. One mango you like, one more you like vanilla. Okay, spelling mistake is there, forgive me. Okay, so suppose I will write like A, I will write like B. Okay, suppose you came after an exam, got very tired, but paper gone good. Okay, you have some pocket money also, you decided to purchase an ice cream and eat it. Okay, output means what? Decision. You will take or not. You go into the ice cream shop. And the ice cream shop you asked, Bhaiya, what is the flavor of ice cream you have? Okay, he said that I have butterscotch, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mango, everything is there. Okay, so you have good amount of money. Okay, some good amount of money, so you want to enjoy. So we'll ask, I want mango also, I want vanilla also. And shopkeeper said, yes, I have a mango ice cream, I have vanilla ice cream also. You both ice cream are there, you are okay with purchasing, so you will definitely purchase. So output will be true, or you confirm purchase. But suppose he said that I have vanilla ice cream only, mango ice cream got over. Okay, you are okay with vanilla also, you can adjust for a while. Mango is not there, but vanilla is there, so you will definitely purchase. On next day also paper gone good. Okay, and you again ask for ice cream. He said that I have mango today, but vanilla not there, so you are also okay. Still you will purchase the ice cream. But suppose after few days, randomly you are walking, summer is there, you again go to the shop, ask for ice cream, mango vanilla ice cream is there or vanilla ice cream is there or not. He said both ice cream are out of stock, I have only strawberry, but you don't like strawberry flavor ice cream. So you said I will not purchase this or not this, so you will decide not to purchase ice cream. Okay, so in this truth table you have seen, whenever both conditions are satisfying, I am getting the output. Even if a single condition is also satisfying, I am getting the output. But if not a single condition, means not a one flavor ice cream also not there, then it is not satisfying. This is the behavior of OR operator. Okay. Gives output when any one at least, okay, minimum. Okay, at least I will write. At least any one condition is also satisfied. Okay. If any one condition is also satisfied, then we are going to go with the OR operator. Okay. Now, any query, sir, to understand how it's working? Yeah, definitely. Before that, syntax is important. Without syntax, how will you write? Same like AND operator, instead of AND, write OR. Okay, syntax. In where clause you will write where condition 1 or condition 2. This way you will write. Instead of AND, you will write OR. So if I give you a question, let's say write a query to display details of employee working in department number 10 and 10, 30. Okay, 10, 30. In this question, suppose I didn't teach you about AND operator. Sorry, OR operator. I didn't teach you about OR operator and told you to solve this query. So how will you solve this query? You will solve the query like this. Select asterisk from EMP where department number equal to 10 and department number equal to 30. Most students will solve like this if I didn't teach you about OR operator or you don't have any knowledge about OR operator. Okay. Now if what here the syntax is correct, no error it will throw, but output will show like this. No row selected. Why, sir? See, because of condition only. If you see the first record, here only one department is allotted to a single person. Okay. Now what is the role of AND operator? It will check whether both the conditions are satisfied, then only it will check the result. Okay. Department number 10, first condition true, and department 30, 10 can't be equal to 30. Okay. So for each and every record, one condition will definitely get failed, at least. Okay. For department 20, both conditions will get failed. So no record will satisfy any condition. So no rows will be selected. Okay. It will not throw an error, but output we will not get desired output. Okay. So here we need to use OR operator, only change. Now we will get the output. So how it's working? It will work like this. So again truth table to understand the output. A, B, output. Let department number equal to 10 be A. Okay, I assume to be A. Department 30 equal to be B. Okay, any one condition I need to satisfy. So in the first record it will check department number 10. 10 equal to 10, yes, first condition is satisfied, true. And department number equal to 30. 10 equal to 30, no. Second condition is false. But here any one condition is satisfying, then I will get the result. So this first record will get selected. Similarly, second record we will check. Second record, first condition is false. 20 is not matching with 10. 20 not matching with 30. Both are not matching, then you will not purchase the ice cream. Okay, both flavors are not there then. So similarly here, it will not select that record. Third record, first condition is false. Second condition true, I will get the output. Fourth record it will check. First condition true. Second condition false, I will get the output. In the fifth record it will check. In the fifth record, first condition false, second condition false, so I will not get the output. So I will not getting this record, second record and fifth record. Other than second and fifth record, rest all the record will get selected, filtered by the where clause. And what I said, I want the details. So entire column will get displayed. So our output will look like this. EID, E-name, salary, department number, okay, of what? 101, 103 and 104. Okay, 101 name was Alan, 103 name was Smith, 104 name was Jones. Salary of what? Alan is 1000. Smith salary was what? 1500. Jones salary was 2500. Department number was 10, 30, 10. Okay. So this is the final output. You will see like this, final output. Okay. This is how the compiler will work. Okay. Allen, Smith, Jones, first record, third record, and the fourth record we will see as an output. This is how OR operator will work. Now let's see last operator for the day, that is NOT operator. We will practice some queries, no worries. I am just giving you idea how it's working. If you know the concept, you can try the query by your own. You can do your experiments. If I give you a question, write a query to display details of employee except department number 20. Same output you will get like this if you write the last query. Okay, because you know what are the department numbers available in the employee table. Suppose a huge database is there, department 30, 40, 70, 90, multiple department numbers are there. You can't use that last query question, because in that question we know only 3 department numbers are there. Mention the 2, skip that one, you will get the output. Now what we have to do? We have to do one thing. We can use not equal to operator. Then why to learn the not operator? Okay. The reason behind learning not operator is because not equal to operator will work only on single value. Now to deal with multiple values, at the right hand side I want to do not equal to 10 and not equal to 20. For multiple type of operators, we need to learn a special concept called special operators. In special operators, you will get to know why we are learning not operator. Okay, you can use not equal to 20 also. Okay, but for multiple values, we need to use not operator. We will learn later why not operator is so special. Okay, so now what is the role of not operator? First of all, not operator is used to negate the condition. Okay, reverse the condition. Okay, or is used to change the output. Means if I am getting the condition is true, okay, it will turn into false. If condition I am getting the output false, it will make the condition true. Okay, it's a single unary operator. Okay, only one input, one output. For example, I give you a question. Okay, except department number 20. Okay, so what it will do? The syntax first we will write. Syntax with the where clause, where not column name equal to value. This is the syntax, simple syntax. First we will write not, then column name, then value. Column name not will not work. First of all we need a not. So how it will work? First we will write the query, then we will see the working. Okay. Select asterisk from EMP where not department number equal to 20. This is the query. Okay. So how the compiler will work, sir? I am not getting sir. So first of all, if you see the symbol of not operator, one input you will get one output. Okay, if I am giving input as 1, output 0, 0, then 1. This is the behavior of not operator. Okay. So how it's working, sir? Okay. So our condition. Okay. Department number equal to 20 I have mentioned. I want except department 20. Okay. So how it will work? See the truth table here. So department number equal to 20 is A. Okay. Output. Only one input and you will get the output. Not operator. This not operator is like this nozzle button only. Okay. See the button. After the triangle, their button is the circle button. This will do the negation. A output. Let's see the behavior. So first of all, it will check whether the department number equal to 20 or not there. In the first record, when we go to the first record, in the first record we check department number equal to 10. Okay. Department number equal to 10. in the first record it will check the department number is 10 is showing. Okay, so which is not matching department 20. So 20 is there in the right hand side, so I can say 10 is equal to 20. No, so condition is false. Okay, so our first condition is false. Okay, what is the role of not operating? Negate. So false it will convert into true. So our final output is true, so this record will get selected. Okay, it will check the condition. If condition is false, it will make it to true and it will select that record. Okay, if condition is true, it will turn into false and it will reject that record. Okay, second record 20 is there. Okay, is 20 equal to 20? Yes, the condition is true. But what is the rule of not operator? It will reverse the condition. So false, so it will reject that record. Okay, similarly 30 equal to 20, third record false. What is the rule of not operator? Reverse the condition. So false will convert into true. So third record will get selected. Similarly, fourth record 10 is equal to 20. No sir, it's again false. So false it will get into true. Okay, so this record has been selected. Fifth record 20 is equal to 20. Yes sir, the condition is true. But sir, true negation, it will convert into false. So fifth record will get rejected. Okay, so you are getting that the department number which are 20 is automatically rejecting. How it's rejecting? Because of negation. This is how not operator will behave and work. Okay, so what is how from clause will work? From clause will go to the table, search for the table, put the table under execution. From clause will work first, and after that where clause will filter the condition. Now how not operator is filtering the condition, we got an idea. After that, what is the role of select clause? Select clause will display the output. Okay, whatever entire details. So where clause will extract the entire records. From that, what I want to display, it will be decided by the select clause. This is how not operator will work. Okay. So one concept is there, operator precedence. In that, not has the highest priority then, and there is the highest priority then least as the or. Okay, not and or. Okay, why we will see. Okay, this much the content for the today class. Now we will see the queries. Need to connect to the username is what? Scott. Password is Tiger. So connected successfully. Now first we need to set the dimension. Set pages 100, lines 100. Okay, you can write reverse of it. Set lines 100, pages 100. No change will happen. Okay, first let's say I want to display the table. Select asterisk from EMP. So this is the all the 14 records we will get. Now I want to display the details of employee earning more than 2000. Right, I'm going to display details of employee earning more than 2000. This is the question. So how about we write select asterisk from EMP where salary is greater than 2000. Okay, so I am getting 6 employee details who are earning more than 2000. Okay, suppose if I change the question, do some modification in the question, earning more than 2000 and working in department number 10. Okay, I added one more condition. Now in this situation, how we write the query? I will write select asterisk from EMP where salary is greater than 2000 and operator I will use to include one more condition and department number equal to 10. So which record I will get? I should get 2 records, clerk details and king details. Okay, these 2 are the employees. Let's check. Clerk and king details I am getting. Filtered mode. Okay, this is the role of AND operator. If all conditions are satisfied, we will get the output. Suppose if I give you a question, write a query to display details of employee working in department number 10 comma 30. Let's check with AND operator. Okay, select asterisk from EMP where department number equal to 10 and department number equal to 30. Okay, no row selector will show, it will not throw an error. Why, sir? Because syntax is always correct here. But the problem here is if one condition is satisfied, another condition will not satisfy. Okay, even at least one condition satisfy also. That's the issue. Now let's check with OR operator where department number equal to 10 or department number equal to 30. You can see 9 records got selected. Either the department number 30 is there, 10 also is there. Okay, so 9. So out of 49 minus, so how much left? 5. So 5 records are there who are working in department 20. Okay, let's check. Select asterisk from EMP where department number equal to 20. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we got the right answer. Okay, 5 employees are there working in department number 20. Total 14 are there. Now suppose if I give you a question, same question, okay, in different way. Write a query to display details of employee except department number 20. See, you can do with not equal to operator, you can do with not operator because it's a single value. For dealing with multiple values, which we will learn in the special operators, we need to use not operator only. We will try with both. Okay, so I will write select select asterisk from give where not department number equal to 20. Okay, again same output I am getting. Let's try again. Instead of not, I will use not equal to operator. Shift not. Okay. See, both are internally working same only. Okay, the way of writing is different. I am getting the exact dicto same output. 9 records. Okay. Alan, Ward, Martin. This is how not operator will work. Now, will this single operator related query will come in the exam? No, sir. Multiple query will come. Let's suppose write a query to display details of employee working as analyst or salesman, working as details of working analyst or salesman. One more question is what? And earning more than 2,000. Earning more than 2,000 except department number 10. Okay, means I want here 3 operator role are there, working as analyst or salesman. Okay, and should earn more than 2,000 and except department number 10, means and or not, 3 operators are combining. So let's see how we will write the query. First, what I want to display entire details. So what I will write, select asterisk from which detail, from which table I want, EMP table. Okay, I will write EMP table. Break the question if you are not understanding. See, if your complex question is there, we need to break the question. What I want to display, entire details. So I will write asterisk. Then what I will have, from EMP. Now in the filter condition, multiple conditions are there. First of all, what is the condition? Analyst or salesman is a what? It's a job column. In job column we can see is there. So I will write where job equal to analyst. Okay, it's a char data, we will write in single quotes, or job equal to salesman. Okay, and salary greater than 2,000 and not department number equal to 10. Okay, we got the output salary 3000. Have we got the right output? Let's check the employee table. Okay, select asterisk from EMP where what is the condition? Not 10, no, where where not department number equal to, not department number equal to 10. Okay, so here how many employees are there who are earning more than 2000? 1, 2, 3, 4 employees are there. Okay, 3000 analyst, Ford is there, 3000 Scott is there. Okay, 2850 per job is Blake. We are not getting the right output. Okay, then 2975, it's a manager, so we will not get again. So we are getting the right answer. Okay, suppose if I make a change here, let's say suppose if I make a change, except department number 10, instead of 10 I will make 20. Okay, so let's check what will happen. Okay, any salesmen are there who are earning more than 2000? Salesman, no. Okay, instead of that manager we will put. Okay, we will make a change. Select asterisk from EMP where job equal to manager or job equal to analyst and salary greater than 2000 and not department number equal to what I mentioned 10 only, no? Okay, 10. So you can see here, not we are getting manager, we are getting analyst. Okay, salary greater than 2000. Okay, not department number equal to 10 means what I want department number except 10, but I am getting department 10, sir. How? So guys, here the operator precedence comes into the picture. Okay, according to the operator precedence, first of all, AND operator has the highest precedence, then not operator has the highest precedence. Comment I will do. Okay, operator precedence according to that, not operator has the highest precedence, then AND operator has the highest precedence, then OR operator has the highest precedence. Here the output we will get, but it is not working. Internal compiler is not working according to our question. Our question is what? I want job equal to manager or job equal to analyst. Okay, that is one condition. And salary greater than 2000 is another condition. And not department number equal to 10 is the third condition. Okay, but I am getting here department number 10. So for this we need to write the query again in the bracket. We need to mention because compiler is not able to understand well. Okay, select asterisk from EMP where the bracket we will write the condition. Okay, where job equal to manager or job equal to analyst. This is the one condition. This is one condition we are mentioning the bracket. Okay, and I want either the job title to be manager or analyst, and one more condition, salary. Let's check will it work or not. Okay, 2000. We need to experiment again and again to get to know whether I am getting the right answer or not. Okay, and not department number equal to 10. Okay, so we got the right output. We have seen 2975, 2850. Okay, for a skip 3000. Okay, we have got the final right output. So why we are getting the right output when we are putting the bracket? See what is happening, guys. According to the operator precedence, not as the highest priority. Okay, so no need to put the bracket here. Okay, when the confusion comes, not operator will get the highest priority. Okay, so not department number will be treated as a single condition. But what is happening here? When job equal to manager, job equal to analyst, and salary greater than 2000. Okay, this condition I am putting. So compiler is thinking like this: job equal to analyst and salary greater than 2000. It is making a separate condition. Job equal to manager or bracket job equal to analyst and salary greater than 2000. Okay, so separate condition is making, which is not according to our question. So we need to make it clear. So compiler do not get confused. We need to put the brackets. That is the role of operator precedence. Okay. For this only given this multiple questions, but not every time we need bracket. Okay, for example, if I give you one more question, write a query to display details of employees earning more than 2000 and working in department number 10, 30. Okay, let's check with this. Select asterisk from EMP where sal greater than 2000 and again we need to put here brackets. Okay, why I will tell. And department number equal to 10 or department number equal to 30. No need to put, I think. Yeah, we need to put. See here what is happening. Compiler will think like this: and operator has highest precedence of salary greater than 2000 and department number 10 will be treated as a single condition, or department number equal to 30. So 1 to 5 is less than 2000. That's why department 30 is getting selected. Okay. Now, but sir, I don't want to use a bracket. I'm getting confused, sir. What should I do, sir? Let's try. Select asterisk from EMP. See, whatever you try, it will not work without bracket. So we need to put the bracket here from EMP. To solve this issue, we can use special operators. Okay, if you know special operators, we can use in operator where salary greater than 2000 instead of salary greater than 2000. Let's try this reverse. Department number equal to 10. Still it will not work. Department number equal to 30 and let's check. Okay, and salary greater than 2000. 30, 10 we are getting, but here also one more issue. Again salary less than 2000. Because now it is treating like this. Again confusion. Compiler is getting confused. Department number is 10 or see, now bracket is clear, department number equal to 10 or bracket department number equal to 30 and salary greater than 2000. Okay, so department 30 is not there and salary less than greater than 2000 not there, so, but department 10 is there, one condition satisfied, so I am getting the records of Miller. Okay, now how to solve this issue? To solve this issue, use a bracket. Because AND operator has the highest precedence. So we got the desired output now. Okay, so for every time we need to be careful about brackets put or not. Every time we can be put. No, it's not necessary. Every time, but depend on the question. We have to see operator precedence, not and or. Many operator precedence are there, but this basic we need to keep in mind, because why students get error in the exams or interviews. See, if you give theoretical exam, sometimes the examiner will ignore this because he will think we are getting the right output, but the operator precedence is the things which many students ignore. Okay, this is, I hope you have got an idea. Now sir, what you said about special operator, I am getting curiosity, sir. See, suppose you don't want to put the brackets, confusion is there. Okay, so we can use special operator concept also. Okay, special operators we will learn in the tomorrow class. Okay, so you can write like this: select asterisk from EMP where Department number in operator is a special operator. We will add multiple values 10, 30 and salary greater than 2000. You will get the same output. Okay. Oh, sir, if I do salary greater than 2000 first and department number in 10, 30, can I write like this? Yes, you can write like this. Again, you can do. So from okay. Sal greater than 2000 and you still get the same output. No worries. So what I am doing, because of special operator, you are skipping the right syntax of or operator. Internet working like the same logical operators only, and or not, but you are skipping the syntax. So compiler is not getting confused here. So you will get the desired output. Okay. That's why we will learn the special operators, because it will reduce the syntax also and confusion also it will get avoided. Okay, that's all about today class. I hope you enjoyed this. If any confusion is there, please chat box or in the comment box, please reply. I need help, I'm not understanding, or if you are understanding, please give positive feedbacks. Your feedbacks and promoting my channel will be a strength for me.